In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch destination in Waze. So, to get started, open Waze and head to the live map. This is the web-based map view where you can quickly plan a route and make changes before you start driving. If you're following along on a computer, this is a convenient way to see everything clearly on a larger screen. Once you're on the live map, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see the driving directions panel. This is where Waze lets you enter your route details and compare available paths. If you don't notice it right away, just focus on the sidebar area where route planning options appear. Click into the driving directions section to begin setting up your trip. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your starting point. Type in the location you're leaving from, and make sure you choose the correct result if Waze gives you suggestions. Being precise here helps Waze calculate the most accurate route. After that, enter your destination in the next field. Again, Waze may show matching locations as you type, so select the one that best fits where you want to go. Once both your starting point and destination are entered, Waze will automatically generate route options for you. At this stage, you'll be able to see the routes Waze suggests. This is helpful because it confirms that both locations were entered correctly and gives you a preview of how Waze plans to get you there. Before making any changes, take a quick look to make sure the route shown matches your intention. Now for the actual switch. To switch the destination, simply click the up and down arrow beside the destination field. This button is designed to swap the two locations. So instead of manually retyping everything, Waze will reverse the route for you in one click. As soon as you select that arrow, the destination will switch instantly. Your previous destination becomes the starting point, and your previous starting point becomes the destination. Waze will then refresh the route options automatically based on the updated direction of travel. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you realize you entered the locations in the wrong order or if you need to plan the return trip quickly. It saves time and helps avoid unnecessary typing, and that's all there is to it. That's how you switch destination in Waze using the live map. If you're following these steps as you go, you should now be able to swap your route easily and continue planning with confidence.